Basic education has long remained behind in technological development, despite the many benefits digital tools offer in teaching, including time-saving and more effective learning. Education officials and teachers attending the launch of the Yakili digital training platform agree that primary school teachers must embrace digital transformation.
It's going to reduce the teachers' workload because they were talking about preparing lesson notes now in another form instead of writing. So the time that the teachers are going to be using, like the previous time, they used to use longer times to prepare lesson notes. But now, they are going to use that time now instead to be transforming the children.
It's a new concept that has come a long way to help both teachers and the students improve on their educational skills.
Developed by young Cameroonians, the platform will help teachers build digital skills and learn how to use artificial intelligence in the classroom starting from the next school year.
We pass by training the teachers first. When we train the teachers, we empower them to be able to use these digital tools in the classroom. From there, they'll be able to inspire the students before going to the tablets.
While integrating animations, while integrating cartoons and everything, all the like, it will permit all the students, the slow learners as well as the fast learners, to learn together and have better results at the end of the day.
I'm fighting with those who are looking for the promotion of the education and lay private education in Cameroon.
The training will take place in 2 phases: online sessions followed by practical in-person workshops, allowing teachers to quickly apply their new digital and AI skills in their daily lessons.